So Bar None started when a friend asked me to make a set of bars for him, and I hadn't thought that making a set of bars was going to be something that I was going to do with motorcycles, and I thought to myself it's a good opportunity to try something new and different. And basically after making those bars for him, he was really happy, and other friends saw them and they also hit me up asking for me to make different things for them. So Bar None eventually started off the cusp of that, I guess. Then eventually more people hit me up for more things that I thought this could be a good opportunity to do, working with motorcycles as a passion but also as a job. So it's all come together quite nicely, naturally as well, from the ground up. My name's Connolly. I run Bar None Moto from Ballarat, Australia. I do a lot of different styles of bars, anything from cafe racer right through to harley-davidson choppers, really. So some people will send me bars and I will replicate them for them with slight changes or different heights, different materials, clamp on or weld on, and do different styles of sissy bars. I do hardtail ones, bolt on ones for Japanese, American and British. So this build is for the machine show competition. We had to apply to see if we could get selected in being a builder for the competition, and the whole idea for me was, if I was selected, that I would build a bike that I wanted to ride, a different style, something that I've always dreamed of building and riding. So it was a great opportunity for me. Once I was selected, I was well underway to knowing what I wanted to do, but this time I wanted to do things differently. I wanted to do more of everything, and I didn't want to buy anything unless it was a part that you can't make quite quickly. There's been a few challenges with this build. The timeline for the build obviously is always a challenge, but to do something new and something different for myself, for a bike that you see a lot of, but I wanted slight touches of difference. I wanted to do things that would look nice, understated, not over the top, but basically to showcase parts of the build that I can do and prove to people that I can do a good job and do different things. That you know, you can have a bike and it can look nice, but there's always little details hidden in little things, and that's basically what I'm trying to do, is just have a nice clean bike with lots of details, nothing over the top, but nice.